What's up, weirdos? How in the HE double hockey sticks are ya? All right, we're going to talk about Zebec Network. What is behind the recent price rally? We're going to talk about XRP and JP Morgan. We're going to talk about it, guys, and I have one hell of a great promotion for you. Let's dive right into it. Altcoin market starting to turn around this evening. Jasmy up 7% on the day, 20.8 on the week, 80.7 on the month, but down 29% on the year. We are up 3 spots in rank to 88, a $983 million market cap, so close to that 1 billion once again. 77 million in volume. What's going on with Swiftcoin? Where is my Swifties? What do we got here? Down 6.8 on the day, 7 on the week, up 22.6 on the month, and 201% up on the year. We are down 26 spots and ranked at 332, $127 million market cap. The volume has been slashed in half over the last, I would say, 8 or 9 hours to 3.78 million. Don't know why, but maybe I'll buy some more. We'll see. You guys know me. I absolutely love my Swiftcoin XCN, down 3.5 on the day, 2 on the week, up 39% on the month, and 1,055% on the year. We are down 6 spots in rank to 116, a $635 million market cap, and 40 million in volume. What is Zebec doing tonight, guys? Let's have a looky-loo. Down 0.3% on the day, up 27.2 on the week. Does it feel like it's up 27.2 on the week, or 17.8 on the month, or 220 on the year? Not really, but it is. Believe it or not, it is running. Up 1 spot in rank to 174, $352 million market cap, 38 million in volume. Market's turning around, guys. Little tiny bit of a red day today, and we are turning into a green morning so far. We'll see what tomorrow brings, but Bitcoin had the breakout today. We closed at $120,000. We have since wicked back down to $118,826. Will we completely engulf this green candle tomorrow and come back down, or will we end up being a wick, and will we break tonight or into tomorrow into and above $121,000. Finally, we have been playing with this sell wall for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 9th out of 11 days we have been rejecting off of that massive sell wall resistance. Every time we hit it, we make it weaker and weaker, guys. So nothing to be bearish about there. And listen, I'm a win-win kind of guy, okay? So if we do break to the upside, my portfolio looks super fantastic, and I'm happy, and we're moving up, and everything's all sunshine and rainbows. If we do break to the downside, which is starting to seem less and less likely as we go, I'll just DCA and buy more, guys. I really can't lose, right? And neither can you. It's all about your perspective, right? You are, my friends, in a win-win situation, if you can recognize it, right? So be strong, have faith, guys. Things look good. Things look strong. We're going to see how everything ends up playing out. We're going to go have a look at the Ethereum chart here as well, guys. Let's see what's going on over on ETH. All right, so ETH inside of its bull pennant here still, just kind of ping-ponging along the top side of it. We wicked down towards the bottom yesterday and right back up, closed up nice and high, around $3,743, sitting at $3,716 right now. I could see Ethereum bounce inside of here for another 3 or 4 days before making its next leg up, and that would be fine. There's nothing wrong, guys, with this entire rest of this week just going sideways. That would actually be really, really good, because then it would reset, cool off some of our RSIs. It would help alleviate a lot of the selling pressure and stuff, and then we can make our next leg to the upside, right? And we've built another level of support, so it's all gravy, baby. It's all good, right? That's what you want to see. Okay, so let's head over to the news, shall we? But before we do, guys, listen, I have a phenomenal opportunity for you here. Special biometric wallet deal on the channel sponsor, Decent Biometric Wallet. Not your keys, not your coins, guys. You can swap, take profits right on your Decent wallet. You can even stake on there and gain APY. And on top of all of that, guys, Decent and myself have come together to get you $20 off your Decent wallet in this special promotion. And you also get a free Zebec token airdrop to your Decent wallet with this promotion. You must use our coupon code FUTURE20OFF. I will put it down in the description to get your free airdrop of Zebec and your $20 off your Decent wallet, guys. This offer is only good until August 5th, 11:59 p.m. UTC. And you must, once you receive your wallet, submit your Zebec address that you have on your Decent wallet by August 17th, okay? I have another video. I'm going to put the link to that video in the description as well, explaining it in greater detail. Get your Decent wallet $20 off. Use our link, use our coupon code, and get a free Zebec airdrop as well. It's win-win, guys. Check it out. You're not going to want to miss it. Again, it's only around till August 5th, guys. Limited time offer. Zebec Network. Recent price rally and what's behind it. Zebec finds itself at an intersection of two compelling crypto narratives: real-world blockchain payments and decentralized infrastructure. In the past week, Zebec's price has risen 11%, outperforming much of the market and reigniting debate over its role in bringing programmable payments to mainstream institutions. But beyond the excitement of a rising chart, it's worth examining what might actually be driving this move, how sustainable it is, and what risks remain in the broader picture. Zebec Network is a multi-chain protocol aiming to transform how payments are made, particularly focusing on real-time programmable payroll, business, remittance, and DePIN solutions such as decentralized point of sale and merchant payment rails. Key claims and features include continuous payment streaming, enabling per-second settlements. You can get paid by the second at your job. Employers, if they want to get rid of you, guess what? They don't even have to let you work the rest of the day. They don't have to pay you for the full day. They can pay you to the second, right? And if you're a gig worker, you're a plumber, you're whatever, you get paid by the time for the time that you're there, right? You can get paid accurately, or if you're paying a plumber or an electrician or whatever, and if they work 5 minutes past the hour, guess what? They can't charge you for the full hour. You get to pay them just for the 5 minutes with Zebec's pay by the second payroll. Support for payroll remittances and merchant payments on Solana, BNB, and more. DePIN expansion, integrating blockchain into real-world hardware and retail infrastructure, and token utility in protocol governance, staking, and network incentives. We don't need to go over the metrics. Well, we will. 7 days up 11.3% change. Current price 20388 at the time of writing. Market cap 345 milli. 24-hour volume 43.86, up 161%. Circulating supply 88.91 billion. The 7-day chart on Zebec shows meaningful uptrend on both price and liquidity, with volume up over a staggering 160% during the last period. This kind of buying interest often suggests both new entrants and existing holders increasing their exposure. DCA is the way, not financial advice. You do you, boo-boo. Prompting curiosity about what fuels the rally. Number one, what could be pushing Zebec's price up? Narrative momentum in DePIN and real-world payments. Decentralized infrastructure, or DePIN, and payment streaming have become hot sectors in 2025, drawing renewed attention from both traders and venture funds. As more established crypto projects seek tangible real-world applications, Zebec's positioning as a crypto payroll and programmable payment protocol fits neatly into this utility-first narrative. When sentiment aligns with sector-wide attention, related tokens often see outsized speculation or investment inflows. Number two, increased trading volume and exchange activity. A key technical driver has been the dramatic rise in trading volume and liquidity, not just on decentralized platforms, but on major centralized exchanges. How liquidity makes it easier for traders to enter and exit positions, which encourages greater activity and amplifies price movements, especially within tokens that have relatively large supply but previously low turnover. Number three, business development announcements and ecosystem growth. Recent weeks have seen Zebec generate headlines about new integrations, partnerships, and expansion into retail payment solutions. While often short on specifics, these updates create the perception of forward momentum and ongoing development, particularly launches around DPIN devices, card products like their silver, black, and carbon cards, or acquisitions have coincided with price highs, indicating that some market participants react positively, at least in the short term, to these signals, like their partnership with Algorand. Tokenomics and supply integrity. The migration of ZBCN from its previous ZBC token was executed without inflating overall supply, a point frequently emphasized by the project. Investors generally reward supply discipline, and with almost 89% of the 100 billion max supply circulating, fears about major dilutive events have receded. So they haven't watered down the supply, and there's not enough there to really cause concern about watering down the supply either. Number five, sector rotation and broader crypto market sentiment. Crypto markets experience regular sector rotations where capital chases the next promising trend. As blue chip DeFi and L1 tokens stagnate or retrace, traders often seek narrative tokens in emerging use cases like DPIN or payments. Zebec, with its global payments and payroll positioning, likely benefits from this rotation. This pattern is supported by spikes in derivatives activity and liquidity, indicating significant speculative demand as well as genuine user interest. Is the price rally sustainable? It's crucial to separate speculative interest from lasting adoption. Positive signs, genuine expansion of ecosystem features, consistent development activity, and transparent supply control. Cautious notes, however, difficulty in verifying claimed enterprise adoption or real-world usage at the scale implied by market cap. The large token supply also means greater upward pressure is needed to push price further. Sustained outperformance for Zebec will likely depend on translating hype into measurable payroll volumes, unique wallets, and confirmed enterprise integrations. Otherwise, the rally could quickly reverse as attention shifts elsewhere. We've actually added in the last 48 hours another 750 wallets, guys. Zebec Network recent 11% price increase is rooted in the confluence of macro crypto trends, attractive sector narratives, improved technical trading conditions, and ongoing efforts to position the protocol as a payment innovator. Yet, while the upside potential is clear and ecosystem expansion continues, anyone considering Zebec should remain level-headed, balanced, hope for innovation against the hard realities of adoption, competition, and crypto market volatility. Big things popping, little things stopping. We got a little clip here about XRP. We'll get right into it because we're running short on time. We're already at 15 minutes, guys. XRP crypto loans approved by JP Morgan? Let's check it out from Crypto Chrome, guys.
XRP just got the green light from one of the biggest names in banking, JP Morgan, and it could change the future of crypto forever. For a long time, traditional banks treated crypto like the Wild West, volatile, untrustworthy, and too risky to touch. But now, JP Morgan, with over $4.3 trillion under management, is opening the door to crypto-backed loans. That means digital assets like XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum can now be used as collateral. Think of it like this. Just like a house can be used to secure a loan, your XRP wallet could now serve that same purpose. You're not selling your crypto, you're using it to unlock liquidity while still holding your position. It's a major shift, and this isn't just theory. Earlier this year, a major wealth firm closed a multi-million-dollar deal using XRP as collateral. The money moved, the assets stayed, and the door opened wider. Even government agencies are catching on. The Federal Housing Finance Agency has started allowing institutions like Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac to consider crypto assets, including XRP, when reviewing loan applications. That could make home loans and other financing more accessible for those holding digital assets. What's more impressive, JP Morgan's CEO was once skeptical of crypto. Today, that same bank serves clients like Coinbase and uses blockchain technology in real transactions. Now they're bringing XRP into the lending space. This isn't hype, it's history unfolding. And here's the real question. If banks are starting to trust crypto, how long until everyone else follows? What happens when the lines between digital assets and traditional finance blur completely? XRP isn't just along for the ride, it's becoming a core part of the system. Want more crypto?
That's why I don't sell my Bitcoin. And it looks like we're moving towards other blue chips like your XRPs being able to be utilized in the same fashion. Guys, listen, if you're new to crypto, this is vital for you to understand. 90% of people in crypto do not make money for a variety of reasons, okay? Most of the time you get misled by content creators telling you super cycles, hold longer, you end up holding too long, you end up having to either sell at a loss or ride your crypto for 4 more years to the next cycle. Only 10% of people in crypto truly make life-changing wealth. If everybody made life-changing wealth in crypto, why is everyone not driving around in Lamborghinis? Why is everyone not got property on the moon? Well, I will tell you why, guys, because most people in crypto do not make money, okay? And that's just a simple fact. If you truly want to make life-changing wealth in crypto, 10% of people do it. And the reason that they do it is because the other 90% lose money. It doesn't mathematically make sense to say that 90% of people in crypto make life-changing wealth from the 10%, right? It doesn't math, guys, okay? I'm not fear-mongering here. I'm trying to be straight with you because most of your content creators are not going to tell you this. 90% of people in crypto do not make life-changing wealth, okay? They hold too long, they get tricked, they get scammed, or they sell at a loss, right? Because they're not taught properly. They hold too long and they crash down into a bear market. They get angry, they leave the space because they saw their portfolio balloon to 7 figures and then collapse back down to 5, right? Can you imagine the frustrations? Guys, get over to the Patreon. We will help you. We've been through multiple bull runs. We can help you devise an exit strategy, a profit-taking plan so that you will get out of this market ahead of everybody else. We will teach you to front run this market, make life-changing wealth for yourself, pay off your bills, pay off your mortgage, pay off your car, and still have dry powder left over to DCA into the next cycle. That is what this is all about, guys. That's how it's done. We've helped 43 people just this year hit 7-figure portfolios, and we're looking to keep that streak running, guys. Join one of the best communities in crypto. We have thousands of members. Everyone's there helping. We're live every single day. We have coaching calls. You can book yourself into those. They're absolutely free as a Patreon member. Passive income opportunities with a lot of our Patreon members quitting their 9-to-5s and just making passive income through crypto, guys. Come aboard today. Microcap gems, swing trade opportunities, and so much more. Learn how to crypto the right way. Join the 10%. Don't be left behind with the other 90%. The link is down in the description, guys. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.